The easiest thing for me to do is call him, right? Hey Stacy, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Hey Stacy, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. You and I were both at the Beltman conference that was in Minneapolis. Whatever the connection is. And I hear this all the time. People say, well, I don't have a connection. Yes, you do. You're just not taking 10 minutes to go, how am I? Like, remember that game, 6 Degrees of Kevin Bacon? Like, we're all related. Kevin Bacon's all our daddy. I don't know how that happened, but we're all 6 degrees removed from freaking Kevin Bacon. I think that was the game. I don't know. I don't have any friends. I never played it. But if I did, I'd probably be 6 degrees from Kevin Bacon. So take the time and figure out what the connection is. Okay? So if I have Stacy's number, I'm saying who I am and how we're connected. It could be as simple as I manage all our relocation projects with medical companies in Ohio. You know, that they're going to put together that they're in Ohio and they're a medical company. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.